Did you buy a new or used car in the last 2 or 3 years? Was the finance rate 9, 10, 11% APR or more? Well, right now is the perfect time to trade in your high-interest car loan at Kenosha Nissan during our Trade in Your Loan event. During our Trade in Your Loan event, you trade in your old car with a high interest rate and drive a brand new Nissan from Kenosha Nissan. No miles, a full warranty, all the latest and greatest technology, and get a much lower APR. Let's do the simple math. That $25,000 car you purchased 2 years ago, it now has 38,000 miles on it at 11% APR for 60 months and is costing you $543.56 a month. A brand new $30,000 Nissan with all the latest tech and safety features at 0% APR for 60 months is now only $500 a month. So what are you waiting for? Get to Kenosha Nissan and trade in your high-interest car loan during our Trade in Your Loan event. Kenosha Nissan, just off I-94 at State Highway 50 or online at kenoshanissan.com.